What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Nuna video ne mushamiji behind the scene. With more who kuteko kumupani yo don't I'm gonna be getting ready in a bit here. Gonna head over to her place. And I was thinking about what else am I gonna do today than bring you guys here with me, okay? So we throughout my daily day. So enjoy this episode. It's gonna be a while until I get to Cass's place, so I'll cut this short. What's up, man? Wow, you taking a bubble bath? Wow, tell me a little bit about your bubble bath. Wow, so cute. And blowing it. Wow. Wow, how'd you do that? What? Oh yeah, that's cool. I'm waiting for you, okay? I'm gonna take you to the store with me, okay? Alright, you wanna go with me? I'm buying some toys. Yeah, okay, come on. Cho em say cái gì video you long Jane, okay? He's a fish lover like me, I'm a fish lover too, so. Look at that. You believe that? Look how amazing this fish is. Nice focus here. Look at this tank right here. What this tank there. Okay. Still under construction. It looks great, man. These are the gravel for plants, huh?
Yeah, I bought gravel plants. It's two different gravel plants and gravel.
Wow. Now we're getting done. Look at that. Ready? You like that, Brayden? What? What'd you take my head for, huh? Huh? What'd you take my head for, huh? Cheater boy?
I bought a weight to raise it up.
Oh, how'd you do it?
Put the woman in. Dig into it.
Thanks, man.
Right in there. That's just a styrofoam. See it? It's just styrofoam. Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I bought like these layers of it, and just stack a ton, and then I put the together.
For the floor.
Which is floor. Yeah, so when you want to draw, I put the white with the floss filter. Take from the all that black carbon filter on top one, which are so it's actually like that big, and then this is all down right here. On the bottom of this is just a filter paper. So I raised it up.
So now you can try one of your so, and then we're gonna show you guys afterward how it's gonna look like. Look at that! Now that is a true artist right there. I don't even have that. My journey career, look at that. Oh my god, this girl is a legend. Woo. So, Cassie,
Hi.
with your blush. And this is bây giờ miêu tu dùng dầu đó nó bị hụt đâu. Tụi nó bị hụt đâu nè. Okay. Push. Yeah, you can. Wow. Yeah, be careful, okay? Because I don't want you to trip and hurt yourself. We are heading outside.
Are you ready? Yep. Go this way. Yay!
Cute boy.
Go.
Come on. Come on this way. Oh, nice shoes, man. I like your shoes.
So we're on a journey to go to Kmart, and this is our adventure. Wow. That's how it's supposed to be.
Look at that, y'all. Everyone knows where this place is at, right? This is the one and only
Monglu Village.
Hmong Village.
It has now become a mall.
Hey, what if bang just don't know? Whoever drive by, they contact me, let me know.
That's pretty much now. Those are the good old days.
Oh man, true story.
And you got honked at?
Oh yeah.
Oh, so funny, dude. I wish like all our friends now would have met us back then. Like it would be so freaking wild. Like we were so carefree. And we were a lot funnier than we are now.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
though.
and-
It's
but
like
we
hella
got-
sweet too.
Yeah,
and
so
shit.
sweet. It was like super hard, but I don't know why we eat there.
I don't know why too.
We got introduced there from this corner was the shit.
Little parking lot, sit That's where I met Lao too. He and his 300 ZX. I'm still not used to see Cassie drive. Like I'm amazed how she can drive from Tulsa all the way back to like Minnesota. That is insane,
I told
man.
you all these music.
That is insane.
I told you, me and you, man, we can drive all day.
I'm like secretly like scared.
If you lay
I
low,
am
if
a
you lay low enough, you
professional.
won't be scared.
I am a
Whoa! Oh yeah.
I am a professional long distance driver.
If you don't see the window, you ain't scared. But if you start looking out the window when she's driving, you gotta hold on to your life.
Man,
I wasn't kidding.
That's it.
I wasn't
That's
kidding
it. That's
when
it.
I said- I wasn't kidding when I said I could see you.
That's why I gotta lay low, so I can't see
Right
the
when I
outside
got
like
music
Veness,
on,
so then you won't be scared.
If I drive with music, man, I'll sleep. Okay, guys, put the top. See the building over there? Over there. Kmart. See you guys inside. It's been a while since I've been here. Maybe when I was like a little kid. Probably like around 11, 12. There, he promised me he's gonna buy me a Godzilla toy, right? And I followed all the way over here, he never did. What's up, Raiden? What are we doing? Ooh, cute. Look at that. So, which one's the table you're talking about? This is actually the table she was talking about. Look at that.
Mommy here.
Should be fine. Oh, let me go get a cart.
So we are at Kmart right now and they're selling their stuff really cheap. So if you guys haven't yet, check it out. Check it out. All the clothes and purses. Cheap prices. They're 40 to 50% off. 40 to 50% off right now. And we're about to knock these things down. Go.
Okay. Let's there.
That sounds like a house. That sounds like a house, Uncle.
係對啊。
这里加点西路了。What's up, man? What's up, man? What are you doing, Brandon? Is this yours?
Uncle, that sounds like a house.
Yeah.
Can I get in there?
Yeah, you get in there. Go ahead, get in there.
But I can't.
Haha. Haha, you can't.
Hey, Mom.
We got a coin star here too. Look at that. Nice.
Who are you?
Yeah, go along to the other side.
What's up, big man? You excited, huh? Man, it's been a long day. We finally got the table ready.
Partially ready.
Okay, so this is how it looks. But right now we got the brother Time right here and Chi right here. Biết chuyện đó tỏ hậu đeo trời rồi người ta luôn có bông nó tới mà cú sát hậu chỉ cú thay tàu bé ra kìa. Nói mẹ lao put in a lot of hard work today too, so nếu nói gì tụi nhớ đỡ chấp lời chỉ khẽ xí lên rồi kìa. Nhớ đỡ chấp lời đó. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my family. Lúc nào bây giờ mua cái thay đua theo một kiểu là gì nè kìa. Cho nên một sáng mình chỉ behind the scene, show you guys a little bit of what we do. How's everyone doing today?
Great!
You guys gonna be on YouTube? She's like,
Some people are used to that.
oh, you know, I was gonna speak more. Anyways, man, you guys got some cute boyfriends. Oh my God, you and he's
Don't say that too much.
he's lucky.
Wait! When did you guys start? When did you start? Right!
So,
Just
so, honey,
yesterday. Yesterday.
how's it going?
Officially.
These are all my family.
That's what I do.
Well, yeah, chị Lão.
I introduced
Tụi này của chị. Tụi này Arthur, Minyo, cute. Hello, Ethan. How you doing? Yeah, hơi chọn Minyo. Don't Minyo, you cute. These are the big boys right here. Tong ha, to see. My man. That video. It's Tang Chang, Jackie Chang, Roy, Mr. Roy.
I asked him if he thinks you're gay.
Aww.
I'm just kidding.
Got Nu Chang, Elena.
I like her bottom one. Yeah. When she does her pull-out face.
Tong's wife, and that's you know this superstar right here. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yeah.
This is a choking girl.